The sun is killer. So I'm currently at Hy-Vee right now, about to pick up a tomahawk steak for my little Frenchie baby. We just give him a little bit, but obviously it's for us. We are kind of doing an early birthday celebration for Kilo, just because I'm going to be away in Vegas during his actual first birthday. I'm being a bad dog mom, and you guys know, like, if you follow us on our Instagram, you guys know I take him with me all the time to Vegas, and he loves it. But this weekend, it was the only weekend my girlfriend could make it out to spend like some quality time. Stay with his grandparents this weekend, and we're gonna do an early birthday celebration, but hopefully he doesn't mind. Pretty, on sale for $10. Grabbing these for fun. I love fresh flowers. Keto-friendly goodies here. They have their own aisle at Hy-Vee, which is awesome. I'm just grabbing cereal, but I just know my sweet tooth is gonna be popping this week, so I'm gonna grab this. 11 grams. The carbs for 2 cookies. Sometimes just gotta do it. All right, we found it. Also having deals, so we're gonna do some burgers today since we're grilling. Kilo's tomahawk. Oh, thank you. Okay, I'm gonna try this 0 sugar vanilla maybe. I had to get balloons. So cute, so freaking cute. I'm excited to set it up for him. Last stop. How's Halloween stuff already? Wow. Is that for you? Hey, how do you not want to do that? Kilo, is it your birthday? It's your birthday? Oh, wow, babe. Burgers. I'm gonna do a burger bowl with the lettuce, some cheese, bacon, and then V gave me this to try. It's from Guy Gone Keto. Spicy garlic ketchup, 1 gram of carbs per tablespoon, which is not bad. And I just opened it up and tried it. It's actually really good. So I'm gonna use some of this. I'm not a ketchup person in general anyways. This would do. Ninja is warming up right now so that we're gonna make the burgers actually in here on grill mode. Basic phase actually going to be back in stock soon. We're going to use that on our burgers. Actually, by the time this video comes on, it will be in stock. A little bit of Babe Buns basic phase. Got the bacon and cheese melted. Looks so good. So I'm going to eat it salad style first. The easy healthy way and the low carby keto way. We're gonna try this out for Kilo. Oh, Kilo. Kilo. You ready? Oh shit, it's just that's far. Go get it. Go get it. We want beef ribs, but they got the wrong one. Okay, here's what the beef ribs. Almost done. Eating more of the Sam's Club ready to go Caesar salad, but I have halal guys white sauce packet, so I'm gonna add that and some Chick-fil-A grilled chicken just to add more protein. Easy, simple lunch. I'm so excited. I'm so happy I brought these back from Chicago because we don't have a halal guys in Minnesota, so anytime I go, I take all of their sauce. Love their hot sauce too. Like a lunch break. You guys remember when I said I wasn't gonna order DoorDash anymore? Actually, I didn't really say that. That wasn't really like a real goal of mine or anything like that. But I'm gonna be better once I get back from Vegas, just because it's easier. I didn't want to have too many leftovers. So this is kind of a quick Thai low carb preview. This is a spicy shrimp stir fried with Thai basil with 2 fried eggs, deep fried tofu. This is a shrimp tom yum, which is so good. So it's super spicy and sour. You can modify it so you don't like spicy. You don't have to get it that spicy. And then it has like the straw mushrooms and more shrimp and some lemongrass. We're just craving something sour and spicy today. I just finished lunch, but I still want a cheese snack. Just one, just one. So it's late at night, but I told you guys I knew I was gonna have some kind of sweet tooth. And luckily, I have some things that can help my case. So if you haven't tried, sorry, I was like super close. One of my favorite things, Chalk Zero. If you haven't tried this, like, you need to. I do total carb count per day. I don't do net carbs. And one of the things I like about Chalk Zero that is like one piece is only 4 grams. So I can still fit it in my budget per day. And it has like no weird aftertaste. I actually don't really like sweets. Like, sweets are not my issue and why I gain a lot of my weight. I had other issues, but yeah, I only crave sweets like once in a while. Actually, so good. Really, honey? I'm trying to film right now. Okay, this is ruined my shot. So yeah, day today. Like, what is this weather? Going to McDonald's to get my usual breakfast.
Hi, welcome to McDonald's.
Hey, can I get a sausage egg McMuffin with no bun, please?
Sausage egg McMuffin, no bun. Anything else?
And a Diet Coke?
Diet Coke, okay. Anything else?
That'll be all.
Okay.
Alright, so this is a sausage egg McMuffin with no muffin. There you go. Sometimes they surprise me with the cheese and they actually put it in the middle, but sometimes they'll put it on the bottom, which I don't understand why. But here it is, very easy. So it has the sausage patty, the cheese, and then the egg. And yes, you can make this at home. There's alternatives, but when you're on the go sometimes and you're just in a crutch, this is a good one. Diet Coke at McDonald's just hits differently. I just need a few sips and then I'm good. At Kohl's right now. I'm gonna do a quick Amazon return. I love returning at Kohl's because they also give you a discount that you can use here on the receipt. I'm back at Hot Pot and I just ordered everything, waiting for my sister and her family to come. So funny. Life of a jeweler. I'm at Hot Pot restaurant, but I need to see these zones and make sure the client likes it before the deadlines. Do what you gotta do. My dinner date again. Hi, Max. Say hi.
Say hi. Say hi, Auntie Regina.
Hi. We got the beef fillet.
Oh, hi.
Oh wow, why you greet him nicer than me?
Soup.
Soup. We're here for soup. Got my little dipping sauce. The gnocchi mushrooms are back. Tofu, meatball, fish ball, Chinese broccoli, beef. Gnocchi mushrooms are back, so if you're trying to stay low carb, this is a nice substitute. Doesn't taste like noodles obviously, but similar vibes. I want to be Maddox though. Smart. You're so smart. You like Hot Pot?
Thumbs up?
Down.
Down?
So what, thumbs up or down?
Down.
Thumbs up. Yummy. Okay, so I just got home from work and we are gonna go to Vegas tomorrow, so I have a lot of packing to do tonight and just like last minute random stuff. Having some grilled ribeye and lobster. Tiny said he used our Bay Blends garlic goals along with some butter and ghost pepper on it, and it's so good. So good. If you hear a lot of background noise, sorry. We are like trying to clean out our basement and like underneath the stairs and our laundry room while we have like a huge dumpster still. We're almost done with the garage, but now we're doing downstairs, and yeah, we needed help to carry everything out. That sewing machine's that heavy?
I was surprised.
Wow. I'm leaving to Vegas right after work. I'm gonna steal some snacks to put in my bag. I know I brought them. Okay. I need my Choc Zero milk chocolate. That's for sure. Well, I'm gonna eat this now. This is the keto ratio strawberry. Doesn't matter. It doesn't matter how full I am, if I ate a 10-course meal, if I was at a buffet. Once I get to the airport, I'm like instantly hungry. It's something in the air. Bring chicken skin for sure. Pork skin is always a good idea. That's a big. Should I take it? No. I'm gonna do chicken skin. Chicken skin and chocolate. That's all I need in my life. A big block chicken chips and milk chocolate because I know I'm gonna have some kind of sweet tooth. Gotta be prepared. Quick break right now, and I know I'm not gonna eat till later. Berry snack, strawberry flavored, of course. Since I'm gonna be leaving straight from work to the airport, we're gonna go to the Delta Lounge, so there'll be food and stuff like that, and I'll definitely show you guys. I haven't been able to like film every day as long as I would like, just because it's been busy and I'm trying to get things ready before I leave. It's always like when I leave on a trip, it's great, I can like shut off my mind, but when I come back it takes some time to like get into the things again, or I'm just like swamped with stuff. So I'm just trying to like, I just want to come back from a trip and not have to like stress. That is my goal. It's so good. I wish it wasn't 200 calories for the whole thing, but that's okay, I'll make it work.